close your eyes for a second, imagine stepping into your small backyard and suddenly feeling like you've been whisked away to a private island. Desert island. The air feels warmer, the colors richer, and every corner whispers calm. Sounds impossible for a tiny space, right? That's where you're wrong. Today, we're unlocking the secret to turning your small backyard into a tropical paradise, lush, vibrant, and completely relaxing. Hibiscus. Welcome to Relax Garden, your home for transformative garden design ideas, modern backyard makeovers, and 2025 outdoor trends that turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary escapes. Palm tree. In this video, we'll explore tropical garden design tips for small spaces, from lush layer planting to exotic textures and natural decor ideas that instantly create that island vibe. Whether your backyard is a small patch of grass, a narrow courtyard, or a tiny patio, these ideas will help you create your own tropical sanctuary without moving to the Caribbean. So before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Relax Garden, because you deserve a backyard that feels like a vacation every single day. Herb sparkles. Let's start with the basics. Tropical gardens are all about layering, texture, and contrast. Hibiscus. Begin by mixing large-leaf tropical plants like banana palms, elephant ears, and bird of paradise with lush underplants such as ferns, caladium, and philodendron. This layered greenery builds a jungle-like density even in small spaces. Add a few color accents with vibrant hibiscus, bougainvillea, or red ginger to break up the green and add a tropical pop. Want your backyard to feel bigger? Use curved pathways and organic borders. They trick the eye into seeing more depth. Now, let's talk about materials. Skip the concrete jungle look and embrace natural stone, bamboo, rattan, and wood. Combine these textures with cozy lighting. Think solar lanterns, bamboo torches, or string lights wrapped around palm trunks for a soft island glow. Palm tree. This first layer sets the foundation of your tropical backyard transformation. Warm, lush, and endlessly inviting. Now let's turn that tropical beauty into a full sensory experience. Add the sound of nature. A small water feature, like a mini waterfall, bubbling urn, or wall-mounted fountain brings calm and coolness to your space. Sweat droplets. Next, bring in furniture that feels like vacation. Low wooden loungers, rattan chairs, or hanging swings with tropical print cushions. Keep the tones neutral, beige, sand, and white to balance the bold greens. Don't forget the little details that make it magical. Coconut shell planters, woven mats, and tropical lanterns. These subtle decor touches create that exotic resort feel right at home. Finally, define your cozy relaxation zone. Even a 5x5 corner can become your tropical hideaway with a small canopy or umbrella surrounded by greenery. When the wind rustles the leaves and soft light dances across your plants, you'll forget you're still in your own backyard. Herb cherry blossom. And that's it. Your guide to transforming a small backyard into a tropical paradise that feels straight out of travel magazine. Hibiscus. You don't need acres of land, just creativity, texture, and a few lush tropical plants that bring paradise closer to home. If today's ideas inspired you to start your own tropical backyard makeover, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone dreaming of a lush escape in their small space. Palm Tree. Here on Relax Garden, we bring you realistic, budget-friendly garden transformations, tiny backyard design ideas, and tropical outdoor styling trends for 2025. So go outside, plant your paradise, and let your garden become your everyday getaway. Herb Sparkles.